quite get a box end on it. But the open end works just fine. Get that in there. There. Daddy loves you. Yes, he does. Yes, you get some patents and lovin's. Okay, that's snug. Yeah, I need my short extension. And that one's snug. Now I make the final 20 foot-pound pass through here, there, and come up a little bit there so I have a better angle. There. And there. And let's go down like this. Bring that up like that. And we'll go down like this. And there. And there. Okay. Oh yeah. Well, that's a clearance there. Headers are in. At this point, I would not be afraid of starting the car if I had a bottom radiator hose. Damn, I should have hung on to that one and just made it work. Could have come right down through there. Hope that's not going to be in the way. I don't like the looks of that there. I like the looks of that better. Let's see about putting a bracket in for those tranny cooling lines. I gotta get a couple bolts there. Too long. Not sure which size it is. If it's this size or that size. Okay, let's grab a rug. Okay, those are what I need. Oh, lovely. son of a gun just barely up against the starter. Okay, that works. Couple bolts like that, and a bracket coming down. Need to run these up behind the starter. I'll have to well, all I got to say is sometimes it just you're just lucky. If I had put this motor any further down or back or any place else, yeah, they really don't have good light there. I mean, I've got about a 1/4 inch down behind this pipe right here, down in there, and I got about a 1/4 inch down in there, and it just, everything's lining up and looking good, and you know, I was lucky. Wouldn't have hurt to have this motor another inch up and forward, which I probably should have done, but where it's sitting right now is just fine. Well, gang, got my transmission cooling lines in, got the rubber back to the steel here, and the steel is secured on the front of the engine block right there with that bracket that I cobbled together, and they go back and they drop down and they're right into the transmission back there. So that's good. Ran into a little problem here. I'm gonna have to clearance my header slightly. I got making contact with my starter right here, so I might have to relieve that flange a little bit. Now the header itself isn't touching, it's just the flange for the pipe that's going to be coming down. So we'll deal with that. But other than that, I'm real happy with where the exhaust is coming out. I think I'll be able to just come straight down and straight over and right onto the side pipes there. Well, gang, now the next step is to hook up my headers and to the side pipes and get those mounted up. And so we're basically gonna read the instructions, and I already see an issue, but that's something I'll have to deal with. Not a big deal, but well, folks, that's basically what it's going to look like there. I'm going to try and tuck them up a little bit tighter under the rocker panel. There's kind of a gap right in here, that area. So I think I can bring them up a little bit more along there. But yeah, front to back looks good. I just have to pick up a couple 2.5 inch 45 degrees and I'll be able to come down from my header and over and across and hook right up to it and have a solid 2.5-inch pipe all the way out. So yeah, it's actually looking pretty good. Real happy with that. Could have probably gone with a slightly longer pipe, but nah. That's what we want right there. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know what you think.